Welcome to XYZ Tech, where we explore the latest and greatest in technological innovations. Today, we're diving into an exciting new app that's making waves in the world of data management, SheetAI. This app is a game changer for anyone who uses Google Sheets. It's designed to transform how we interact with data, making complex tasks simple and intuitive. Imagine being able to tell your spreadsheet what you need in plain English. That's exactly what SheetAI does. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to interpret your instructions and convert them into complex Google Sheets formulas. This means you don't need to be a spreadsheet wizard to perform advanced data manipulation. The beauty of SheetAI lies in its user-friendly interface. It's perfect for those who might feel overwhelmed by technical jargon and complex functions. With SheetAI, anyone can leverage the power of advanced spreadsheet functions, turning tedious tasks into effortless actions. SheetAI is not just about simplifying data entry. It's about revolutionizing how we handle tasks that used to take hours. Think about generating SEO-friendly content. With SheetAI, this once time-consuming process becomes a breeze. You can feed it simple instructions, and it generates the necessary data, saving you invaluable time and effort. Customizing email campaigns is another area where SheetAI shines. Instead of manually sifting through data for personalization, SheetAI does the heavy lifting. It translates your needs into actions, automating the process and ensuring each campaign is as effective as it can be. And when it comes to managing large datasets, SheetAI is a powerhouse. Gone are the days of endless hours spent on data entry and analysis. With SheetAI, tasks that would typically require extensive manual work are completed in just a few minutes. This level of efficiency is a game changer in data management. The integration of SheetAI with Google Sheets is where it truly stands out. This isn't just an add-on, it's a transformation of a familiar platform into something extraordinary. You continue to work in the Google Sheets environment you know and love, but with supercharged capabilities at your fingertips. This integration plays a crucial role in reducing human error. We've all faced the frustration of small mistakes in data entry or analysis. With SheetAI, these errors are significantly minimized. The AI ensures that your data is handled with precision, leading to more accurate and reliable results. What's remarkable is how SheetAI maintains the simplicity of Google Sheets while elevating its functionality. You don't have to learn a whole new software. Instead, you get to experience an enhanced version of the tool you're already comfortable with. This blend of familiarity and advanced technology is what makes SheetAI so unique and user-friendly. But SheetAI is more than just a tool for simplifying tasks. It's a catalyst for creativity and innovation. By handling the technical aspects of data management, it frees you to focus on the creative side of your work. This shift is significant. It means moving away from the mundane and diving into the realms of possibility and innovation. Imagine having more time to analyze your data creatively, to see patterns and opportunities that were previously clouded by the drudgery of manual work. That's the power of SheetAI. It takes care of the tedious aspects, allowing you to focus on insightful data interpretations. This can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovative solutions to complex problems. The true value of SheetAI lies in this paradigm shift. From repetitive, time-consuming tasks to engaging, thought-provoking analysis. It's not just about doing things faster, it's about doing things smarter. With SheetAI, you're not just managing data, you're exploring it, understanding it, and using it to drive genuine innovation. Let's take a moment to reflect on the revolutionary impact of SheetAI in the realm of data management and analysis. This isn't just another app, it's a paradigm shift. It bridges the gap between complex data manipulation and everyday users, democratizing access to powerful tools that were once the domain of experts. What does this mean for businesses and researchers? It's a game changer. Businesses can harness the full potential of their data without needing specialized staff. Researchers can delve into complex data sets with ease, uncovering insights that could revolutionize their fields. And the implications go beyond professional use. Educators can use SheetAI to teach data literacy in a more engaging way. Students can experiment with data analysis without the steep learning curve of traditional methods. In essence, SheetAI is not just an app, it's an enabler of opportunities. In conclusion, SheetAI is more than just an app. It represents a new approach to data management and analysis. It's a tool that breaks down barriers, making advanced data manipulation accessible to everyone. Whether you're a business owner, a researcher, or simply someone who loves data, SheetAI has something to offer. We encourage you to embrace this technology. Imagine the possibilities that open up when you can manage and analyze data with such ease and precision. Think of the time saved, the accuracy gained, and the creative doors that open. So, take this opportunity to enhance your data management and creative capabilities. Dive into the world of SheetAI and see how it can transform the way you work with data. It's not just a step forward in technology, it's a leap into a world of possibilities. Finally, thank you for joining us at XYZ Tech. If you found this video informative, please like and share it. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Until next time, keep exploring the boundless potential of technology.